What does true happiness mean to you? Is it the meaning of pleasure that perpetuates itself until it becomes a painful experience, until it becomes a point of obsession? What meaning do words hold for you in the exploration of the deeper nature of your heart? Does it break beyond the barriers of ideas, idealism, society, how it repeats itself, how it plays itself out? What is the meaning of the contemplation of the internal existence mean to you? Who are you? Are you the sum of your happiness? Or is happiness a byproduct of consistent exploration of what may have held meaning before and has been tested to its deeper norms of what it may be perceived as? Contemplate the happiness of the moment that you are within, and let that be the measure of the weight of your own soul. Until next time.